Hey fam, welcome to my YouTube channel today. Guys, so in this video, I'm just gonna be running you guys through how my weekend, a typical weekend goes for me most times. Here, as you guys can see, I am cleaning the house. So on this day, I woke up quite late on this Saturday, and so I needed to clean the house with the kids running around, but I needed to still get things done, which is what I always do on Saturdays. As you guys can see, this is Ariel here trying to play with stuff, but I'm glad that I still had the strength to be able to at least clean on this day, because most times once they are up, I just kind of like, you know what, I'm not cleaning anymore. After cleaning, I went to get ready and go to the store. And this is Sam's Club. I want to get a Costco card, but for now, I'll make do with Sam's Club, as where I come to get my bulky items. So items that I want to buy to last me for about 2 weeks, 3 weeks. I always go to Sam's Club and I buy my water from here. And then next we landed ourselves in Walmart. Here we're trying to get Ariel's food. She still eats this baby food in bottles. And then like toothpaste and a couple of other stuff I did get from Walmart, cereals, wipes, and all that fun stuff. And then here are all the groceries. Went to Walmart, Sam's Club, Kroger, and then the African store. So for this apple, how many of your kids do this? Oh, look, Ariel and Izzy do this to all the apples. The apple in this video, they did the same thing to it. And then here, this is just me. You know, normal day-to-day life, nothing fake, because when I get home, if I have to talk, I talk. And you know, it's easier to get things done when you're talking. You have family to talk to. You're putting your groceries in the pantry, in the fridge, where they are supposed to be. My mom is over there cooking in the back. She's making dinner. Life goes on. See guys, I talk. I love to talk. When I talk, which is what I'm doing. So I'm just trying to get all the groceries set, and that's it, basically it. So on this day, we're having dinner quite late, which is around like 7:30. I am hungry while I'm doing all this. That's why I'm looking this way. And then here we do have me sipping on some malt drink before food is ready, because I can't stand it anymore. And then here Momsi has already made some semovita and ogbono soup. This ogbono is thick and succulent, and obviously somebody is video bumping in the background. After eating, we have to clean up the dishes, which is what I've done, go to bed, and then come back the next day and start afresh. It's not easy, guys, to be a mom. And then here is Sunday. All I'm doing is trying to now prep for the week. This is some jute leaf, which we call ayoyo, ewedu in Yoruba, ayoyo in Hausa. So I let it thaw overnight, and then because it was blocked, I'm just going to go ahead, blend it, and cook it. I do this mostly because of Ariel and Izzy. They like to eat draw soup because it goes down well with their solid, which is like the likes of amala. Alright guys, so for this box, you guys can see easy peasy. I just want to do a quick review of this product. It was introduced to me by my brother. I never knew about it, but it's a super good healthy meal option for kids. I like the fact that it comes with a lot of veggies. It's called Natural Life, and on the box it says yes, kids love to eat a whole bunch of veggies, which actually they do, because Izzy loves broccoli. Ariel loves her peas and carrots. You know, I kind of find that weird, because when I was a kid I didn't really like veggies, but hey, thank God for social media, cocoa melon and the like. So when kids see these things on TV, they also want to, you know, participate and eat them. Well, let's go straight to the unboxing real quick. I thought to just share this with you guys. So what is Natural Life? Natural Life is a pre-made meal delivery service designed for kids, toddlers, and babies. They also have meals for adults if you as an adult is interested and you just feel you don't have so much time. This saves me a lot of time, because I start working at like 9 a.m. and I don't get up to like 6 p.m. So like they have their meals for the week set up. One thing about this meal is you have to make sure your kids eat it within a week, I guess, they're about, because it has expiry date. So the first one here is the butter chicken. Oh, butter with chicken, and veggies though. It has peas on it, so it has the veggies. On the back they'll have the nutritional information if your kids have allergies and all that you need to know. Super cool. This is a chicken dumplings, obviously with veggies again, with peas, which I think is good. And on this one we do have the white mac and cheese with veggies again, with some broccoli. I don't know how that's pronounced, whatever. And on this one, this is the cheesy ravioli. When Izzy was a kid, he loved ravioli. Ariel loves ravioli too as well, so with vegetables. And this next one, let's move this a little bit. This next one is gonna be the beef Italian meatballs. Sorry. Italian meatballs. The next one is the beef meatballs. So obviously you guys can see it's just so many veggies. I know kids get tired of veggies, but what I do is I try to add a little bit of seasoning so they can enjoy it. This is the pen bolognese. And this is a pizza pocket. Kids love pizza, they love pasta, so I kind of feel like Nurture Life has good healthy options. They know what kids love. I believe this must have been tried and tested. This is about 8 meals, 8 packs. And for this one, this came with like finger foods, dried foods, you know. This first one here is a mini pasta, soft easy chew. This second one here is shepherd's pie, I believe, yeah, with the pork on it, yeah, shepherd's pie. And the next one, you know what, let's take this away from here. I guess the wetness from the gel pack, which is the dried ice that was on below in the box, has, yeah, just left some residue on it. And this one is the mac and cheese. I liked this mac and cheese, especially for Ariel. This is the hash and veggies. You see, they have breakfast too as well for your kids. For those of you guys that are so busy, look, I'm so busy like trying to create content on Instagram, YouTube, and sometimes TikTok. I haven't really posted on TikTok. You know, this meal is a very good healthy option. This is salmon cakes, so I like this meal option. The one I have currently is, I have run out of it, so I'm going to be ordering a new one for them tomorrow. And it has saved my life. I really do like it. So as I was saying, one thing I really don't like is the fact that sometimes the food is bland. I don't know. Maybe it's me because I'm an adult. I don't know how kids' taste buds are, but for the veggies, I try to spice it up. Not spice, season it for them. And this is what it looks like. This is how it's sealed, which I think I like, you know, see through. All you just need to do is peel this off and just a little bit and put it in the microwave. Follow the heating instructions, which is actually at the back of the meal pack. They do have it there. They have the expiration dates, kids that have allergies, everything, all the information, nutritional information is on the back of it. And as I said, I try to spice mine up for the kids. For the mac and cheese, I do add extra cheese and some cream into it, because I mean, you just want to make this food healthy, tasty, yummy, and exciting for the kids. Ordering is simple. All you need to do is go to Nurture Life. This is not a sponsored video. It's just me doing my thing and letting you guys know about this. I'm sure a lot of people are looking for solutions for their kids, especially if you have picky eaters. They do have options for picky eaters on their website as well. Good option. Meal is real quick. Shelf life is not too long. As I did say, shelf life is not too long, so you have to eat it on time. All right, guys, so just thought to share this with you guys, and I hope some of you do find this helpful in the long run. Just go to naturelife.com. I'm here, guys. After the unboxing of this items here, I'm trying to make some soup, some fish stew. I learned how to make this fish stew from my friend's house when I lived with them, Bisola. Mom used to make this sweet coca fish stew, watery, like it used to be watery, it used to be really nice. This is for the dad, very healthy, very nice. So what I did is I actually just seasoned the fish and put it in the oven. I did let it bake in there in the oven, and then once it's done and my tomatoes is cooked, I just go ahead and put everything in there. It's really enjoyable with white rice. So that's that. And then here you guys can see I'm teaching easy. They started learning at home, so we're doing some schoolwork here. So that's me teaching him. It's not easy to teach a toddler. And then here making some egusi soup. I'm sure you guys know already. I like egusi soup with fish and pepper as well. And then once I'm done making this, I go ahead, prep it, get it all ready to be in the fridge. So this week all we just need to do is make some more poundo, whatever it is, rice you want to eat. We have it ready for the kids, which is perfect for the kids. And I'm washing all the dishes as usual and trying to get everything set because it's already Sunday night. The next day is Monday. Everything needs to be done. We can't enter a new week with dirty dishes, you know. So guys, it's not easy being a mom. For those of you guys that have more than 2 kids, how do you do it? Because it's really not easy for me. But I kind of moms are superhumans, and that's why we're celebrated so much all over the world. I just want to ask, for those of you that have grown up kids, is it easy when they're grown, like in their teenage age? It looks like the work never stops. And then here I'm just prepping my smoothies for the week. Every weekend I prep my smoothies with different variety of fruits, avocado, apples, what have you. And I'm just going ahead to prep. And then after prepping, I've taken a shower. I'm in my room trying to write out my activities for the week, and once I'm done, I go ahead and take my supplements, women's formula, and my immune multivitamin, which is vitamin C as well, and go to bed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.